a sunrise, painted gold and gray, chasing all the echoes of what I couldn't say. Heart's a little fragile, mind's a little loud, but I keep on moving through the doubt. They say the road to dreams is never paved, but I'm standing here unafraid. I'm on the edge of maybe one step from the sky, caught between the questions and the reason why. If I leave, will I be falling or learning how to fly? I'm on the edge of maybe tonight. Phone is full of numbers, but I still feel alone, scrolling through a highlight reel that's nothing like my own. The mirror shows a fighter with a battle in her eyes. I'll face the fear, I'll try. They say the best things come to those who wait, but I'm running now, won't hesitate. I'm on the edge of maybe one step from the sky, caught between the questions and the reason why. If I leave, will I be falling or learning how to fly? I'm on the edge of maybe tonight. Oh, I don't need the answers, I just need the start, the spark to light the fire burning in my heart. Every note I've heard has built my wings, so I'll rise up and chase this dream. Ooh, I'm on the edge of maybe one step from the sky, caught between the questions and the reason why. If I leave, will I be falling or learning how to fly? I'm on the edge of maybe tonight. And if I fall, I'll build my crown. The edge of maybe's where I'm found. From the sky, caught between the questions and the reason why. If I leave, will I be falling or learning how to fly? I'm on the edge of maybe tonight. And if I fall, I'll build my ground. The edge of maybe's where I'm found.